This 8x8 paper kit is entitled the Paper Bouquet, which is the brand name, Butterfly Ballet. Now, it has this wrap that comes around it, but inside, let me show you what there are. Now, again, as I said, these are 8x8, and they are single-sided, and you're going to get a total of 36 sheets. There are 6 designs, so you're going to get 6 of every single one. So let me show them to you. So you're going to see the flowers. Pink is the prominent color, as you can see, so that's 1. We have sprays of flowers, 2, dots, you can never go wrong, and an all over small print of the flowers, and then a larger spray with butterflies all around, and then a border treatment on each side, and then we come back to the original one. As I said, these are single-sided. What's really nice about this kit, and the reason why we purchased it for you, is because it also has these toppers. Now, these are die cut, they're a little heavier weight, and they just give a really pretty focal. So you're going to get 4 sheets of this one, so you're going to get 4 of each one of these. Very, very pretty. And then you're also going to get 4 of these. So these are square, they're all die cut. Now the border that's added, you're going to need to trim that out. That is not die cut, but as you know, that's just a really simple cut. And actually, it's not a border. I misspoke. These are some greetings, so that's nice to have. So you're going to get 4 of those. So all together, this makes a really unique combination of 8x8 papers and all of those embellishments. Altogether, you're going to have 32 of what's called toppers, the die-cut pieces, as well as 36 sheets in the Butterfly Ballet.